Hello Pharmapians, today we are here with top 5 applications that a pharmacist must have. This application will help you to have drug information on your fingertips for drug classification, to stay updated with the pharma news, and to get in touch with pharmacy council of your state. These applications are both for students as well as for graduates. Our first application is Pharmacon. If you want KD Tripathi in an application form, this application is best to use, as this application contains all the classification of the drugs, including with general pharmacology. As you can see, general pharmacology from the KD Tripathi is given here. The important points are sorted out in this application for general pharmacology. Other than that, drug classification is given for all the different categories of the drugs along with their dosage. Our second application is Drug Dictionary. Drug Dictionary is an offline dictionary which contains thousands of the drug along with their informations. What we have to do is we have to simply go to the search bar option and we have to search for a drug. For example, I have taken here acyclovir. It will give about information about the drugs, its uses, how to take, side effects, precautions, interactions, missed dose, storage condition, and many more. Our third application is ET Health World. Economics Times Health World is a news application which helps us to stay updated with the day-to-day news which is going on across the world in medical field. One of the section here is pharma. As we click on pharma section, we get all the news related to pharmacy, whatever is going on across the world in the pharma sector. Our fourth application is Medscape. Medscape is one of the most reliable source of medical information used all across the world. You can search for any drug. Its all informations are given in detail in this application. Secondly, it has a very interesting feature of disease and conditions, in which different diseases are given in detail. One can have information related to different diseases from this application, which includes overview, signs and symptoms, diagnosis, management of the disease, its background, pathophysiology, treatment, etc. Our next application is 1mg. 1mg is one of the first and foremost market player to enter into online medical business. Over here you can buy the medicines as well as you can compare the drug from the different companies. Say for example, I am searching over here a drug which is Dolo. We all know Dolo is one of the brand name for paracetamol tablets. When we scroll down here, we will be getting different substitutes. Paracetamols over here have near about 466 substitutes. One can easily compare among these substitutes. This application also gives us knowledge about the different products in market. Being a pharmacy student, one should be aware of different marketed products available in the market. Last but not the least, one extra application, that is GSPC, Gujarat State Pharmacy Council. This application is specially for the students from the Gujarat. I have not logged in into the application, due to which it is showing very limited features to me, like job portal, drug information center, and download forms. Let's look into the download forms. When we click onto the download form option, we will be having different forms for different categories. Like for new registration of a pharmacist, there are different list of different forms. For renewal of the license, there are different form. For re-entry or transfer of the license to or from the Gujarat, there are different forms. Okay. Job portal is recently added by the GSPC onto the website as well as on the application. Here a pharmacist can post their jobs. This is an initiative by GSPC to bring upon the industries and the colleges at one place. Means students can log in here, they can put their job over here, and companies as per required they will be hiring the pharmacist from this portal.